friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pluto for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started over towards the left hand side with the nose, and we're going to curve this line up. We're going to get wider as we come to the top, and then as we pull that back in, we'll just thin that out, connecting that together. Let's draw on the top of the snout here, so we're just going to curve this around and down. Let's come down on this line now, and again, curving this around and down. And then we'll come down on this line too, again, arching this around and down. Now to the right of this, we're just going to curve this line out slightly. From the edge here, we're going to arch this up on a diagonal, curving this over and in. Stepping in on this line, curving this around and down towards the middle for the eye. Let's step up again, curving that over and across. Let's come back down on this line now, and again, curving this around and in towards the top of the snout there. Let's draw on the eyeballs here now. So on the right, we're going to curve this up, arching that over. Do the exact same thing on our other eye, curving that in. We can just go ahead now and color these in black. Let's continue the rest of the mouth now. So coming down, we're going to curve this out for the corner bracket. Now from here on the top in the middle, we're going to curve this around. We're going to tuck this over and up towards the nose. Again, we're going to step down on this line, curving this around and back in towards the nose. Let's come down for the mouth now. So leaving a small gap, we're going to curve this in, down, and across. For the tongue, stepping up, we're going to curve this down, around, tucking that back in. Now from here as we come down, we're going to curve that up and over. Let's step in now. We're going to curve this back through towards the nose there, leaving a small gap, replicating that again. Let's imagine that this line comes through underneath the tongue. We're just going to curve this around and through towards the mouth. Now let's draw on the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and in. And now from that point, again, just rounding that out, tucking that down. Let's draw on a small curved line towards the back on a diagonal. Let's come down for the ear. So directly below this, we're going to curve this down. We're going to extend this just past the tongue, curving that in. Now let's connect this. So on the top again, we're going to curve this down, out, and back in on the bottom, rounding that out. Beside this, on each side, we're just going to curve this line up. Let's continue to frame in the head and behind. So leaving a gap here, coming down, we're going to curve this in. We're going to close off the back portion here, so we're just going to round this out on the top, connecting that through. Now let's close off the chin again. So we're going to come underneath, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this in, down, and over. Let's draw on the ear on the top now. So coming up, we're just going to curve this line up and over. Now moving up on the ear, we're just going to curve this line down, around, and in towards the top. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this line out and across. And then now from that point, we're going to pull this back around and down. Let's draw on the collar lastly here. So coming in here, we're just going to curve this line down. We're going to imagine that this comes through underneath, tucking that oval back up. On the top here, we're going to pull our curved diagonal line out, ending that at the same height on the bottom, just curving that back in. Now from here, let's close that off on the side with a curved line. And then let's move up. Again, curving this around and in towards the top. Moving through underneath, just curving that back through towards the chin. And that is it. That's how you draw Pluto for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.